The Redmi 4, when it launched in India in 2017, it created a huge amount of news and a lot of people liked it because it came with specs like 4100 mAh battery, a Snapdragon 435, 2, 3 or 4 gigabytes of RAM, a metal body, fingerprint scanner, IR blaster, MIUI 8 and stuff like that. Now fast forward 2018, new year, new features, and Xiaomi is aiming big. So looks like they have learned a lot, or they've taken a lot of feedback from their customers, and that is the reason they have redesigned the Redmi series, or what you would call a flagship from the Redmi low budget segments. There's the Redmi 4A or 5A, and then you have the Redmi 4 and Redmi 5. The Note series is all together. Now this is the niche Redmi series that we are talking about. Back in November or December, Xiaomi launched two phones in China. One was the Redmi 5 and one was the Redmi 5 Plus. Now the Redmi 5 Plus was launched in India as the Note 5, but we are still waiting on the Redmi 5. So this is why we are talking about it today, because the launch event is about to begin, or probably it is already begun while you're watching this video. Yes, so if you have not already, please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell icon. And before we begin, here's a card to the latest giveaway in which we are giving away a brand new Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without further ado, hello awesome people, my name is Kailash. Welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Let's begin. So you guys must be thinking, it is just another Redmi phone. Why are you so excited about it? What is so different? Well, definitely there are a lot of things that makes me exciting about this particular phone. First of all, this is going to be the first Redmi phone. Now, I'm not referring to the Redmi Note series. Yes, they got their share of 18:9 or bezel-less display, as you know the name goes. But then again, this is the first Redmi budget phone coming in India, at least, that is going to have a full display, or a near bezel-less display by 18:9 aspect ratio. So here's what we're going to get today. We are going to see a launch event, or probably you're already watching it. You are looking at a phone that is 5.7 inches. What? Yes, you heard it right. Now this Redmi 5 is not going to be the boring small 5 inches. It's going to be a phone with 5.7 inches with a HD plus resolution. So the pixel per inch has increased as well. At the same time, it's going to be slimmer. So Xiaomi has managed to shave off 1 millimeter of thickness. Now you have to cut some corners when you have to have a slim phone which looks beautiful. So what Xiaomi have done is they've gone down from 4100 mAh on the Redmi 4 to 3300 mAh on the Redmi 5. Now you would say that cutting out 800 mAh of battery is not really a good choice, but then again, hey, let's talk about the next thing on the card. That is the processor, and the power efficient Snapdragon 450 does the duty here. So the Snapdragon 450 is built on 14 nanometer architecture, and it should be very power efficient. And if we have the reviews from China and stuff to look at, the battery life will easily last you a day. Now it will still come with a micro USB port, but there are good sides to it as well. This will look like a much more premium phone, and you're talking about a starting price of 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. Now for this particular price, what you're going to get in the Redmi 5, here's the list. You're going to get a Snapdragon 450 with the Adreno 506 GPU, 2 or 3 gigabytes of RAM, 16 or 32 gigabytes of internal storage, a 5.7 inch HD plus resolution display, a 5 megapixel front camera, but at the rear there is a single LED flash, a fingerprint scanner, and a camera which is very similar to the Redmi Note 5. And if I were to judge the camera on the Redmi Note 5, I have that phone along with the Note 5 Pro. I would say that if they put the same camera module on the Redmi 5, this is going to be one hell of a device at 7,000 rupees or 8,000 rupees with such a good camera. Now it is nothing out of the world, but then again, for the price, a f2.2 aperture 12 megapixel camera with a 1.25 micron size pixel is going to be brilliant under low light, and you also have a single LED flash to accompany you. Along with this, you still get the 3.5mm audio jack, you still have the IR blaster, you have a hybrid SIM tray. So those are all the specifications of the Redmi 5. It should come with Android 7.1.2 with MIUI 9, all the features like dual apps, app lock, split screen multitasking, the smart assistant and stuff like that is still there. So let's see what it goes like, and let me know in the comment section if you like this particular device. Are you excited about it? Are you going to buy it? And if yes, would you want me to buy it, unbox it, root it, flash it for you guys and cover it on this particular channel. This is Kailash with Smartphone Tutorials signing off for this particular video. Until the next one, guys, goodbye.